My name is Brian Shelley. I'm a partner with the law firm of Swenson and Shelley. I've been an attorney for 10 years. I became an attorney because I have always felt a passion and a desire to represent the underdog. When somebody has been bit by a dog, there's a lot of emotions tied into it. If somebody was irresponsible, let their dog out, has their dog in public around other people, and their dog bites, you rightfully are going to feel upset. Dog bite injuries can be vicious. They can cause scarring, they can cause disease. The dog's saliva can cause infection, and dog bites are serious cases that need to be taken seriously. In Utah, dog bites are strict liability, and what that means is it doesn't matter so much what your actions were. If a dog bites, the dog owner is responsible for the damages and the injuries that it caused. And so it's important to understand that you are not at fault. The dog and the dog owner bears the legal responsibility for the injuries, and we want to make sure that you can get in and get cleaned up, get any care that you need. If there's scarring, that we can make sure that that's being addressed and meet with a good dermatologist and possibly a plastic surgeon that can help you understand how to minimize the scarring and really mitigate the consequences of the dog bite. Some of the common mistakes that people make when they have been a victim of a dog bite is, one, they don't get the medical care that they need. You need to get in and get the wound checked out, make sure that there's no infection, find out if the dog is current on its rabies shots, find out if there's anything that you need to address to make sure that the injury doesn't grow into something bigger than it needs to. As well, if there's any scarring involved, you need to make sure that you're doing what you can to try to minimize that scarring. There's things that you can do to help the scarring heal, help the scarring go away later on. And if there is serious scarring, there are professionals out there that can talk to you about your options on procedures that can be done to help that scarring heal. When someone is trying to choose an attorney for a dog bite case, there's a few things that you should be looking for. First, does this firm focus their practice in personal injury law? Or do they kind of just dabble in a lot of different areas of law, more the jack of all trades type attorney? Second, you want to know if this attorney has handled dog bite cases. We have handled hundreds of dog bite cases and understand the complications. We understand the law on dog bites and how to help you get the most compensation that you deserve from the dog bite case. Third, you want to make sure that you have selected a trial attorney, an attorney that has sent signals loud and clear to the insurance company over the years past that if you don't make a fair offer to us, we'll pull the trigger, we'll file a lawsuit, and we'll hold you accountable. Insurance companies know who the trial attorneys are and who the trial attorneys aren't, and they treat trial attorneys differently. They have to negotiate more fairly. They have to negotiate with the understanding that if they don't treat us fairly and treat our clients fairly, we will take it to a jury verdict and let a jury decide what the value of the case is. If you have suffered from a dog bite, come in and talk to us. Our consultation is free. We can help you understand what the issues are, and at a minimum, you can walk out of our office better educated. And again, the consultation is free, and so you really have nothing to lose by coming in and speaking with us about your dog bite injury.